In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an n8n form to your website. This tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of setting up a form using n8n, ensuring seamless integration with your existing website infrastructure. Whether you want to handle data effortlessly or streamline your user interaction, n8n offers a reliable solution. To start off, you'll want to create a form within n8n using the form trigger node. This step is pivotal as it lays the groundwork for your entire form setup, allowing your data collection to be tailored and efficient. Once you've crafted your form to your satisfaction, you'll need to publish your workflow. Publishing the workflow essentially activates your form, making it ready for interaction with your users. With your form activated, the next step involves retrieving the production URL from the form trigger node. This URL is your direct link to the form and will be instrumental in connecting your website visitors to your n8n form. The ease of access this URL provides is crucial for seamless interaction, ensuring visitors can effortlessly submit their information. At this stage, you'll move on to integrating this form with your website. The simplest way to achieve this is by adding a button to your site, which will serve as a gateway to the n8n form. Depending on the platform you're using, be it WordPress, Squarespace, or any other website builder, you'll want to create a button on your web page. Link this button to the n8n production URL you've obtained earlier. When the button is clicked, it redirects your users to the n8n form housed on a separate n8n webpage. This method is straightforward and ensures a direct line between your visitors and the form you've created. If you're aiming for a more integrated feel on your website and want to avoid redirecting users to another page, consider embedding the n8n form directly into your site. For this, you'll likely need to use an iframe to encapsulate the form, allowing it to reside harmoniously within the confines of your existing web layout. Do keep in mind, if you're hosting n8n on your own servers, you might encounter CORS, cross-origin resource sharing, issues. These require your attention to ensure smooth operation. Adjusting your server settings to allow your website to access resources hosted on a different domain is typically how you would resolve these issues. Thus, by either linking directly to the n8n form page through a button or embedding it seamlessly within your site, you provide a consistent and efficient user experience. This method not only optimizes your workflow, but also enhances user engagement by integrating a sophisticated data collection tool right at your fingertips. Remember, the key is to ensure a user-friendly interaction that aligns with your site's aesthetic and functional goals, thereby maximizing the potential of your n8n form integration.